Hi learners, welcome to our channel Python Programming. In this clip, let's learn about the other forms of if statements in Python. The third form of if statement is if-elif-else ladder. This helps us to test additional conditions along with the initial condition. Simple if helps us to execute set of statements if and only if the condition is true. If-else statement helps us to execute set of statements if the condition is true or if the condition is false. If-elif-else ladder will help us to check multiple number of conditions along with the initial condition. It works like normal if-else construct. And the syntax of if-elif-else ladder is given on the screen. If it is having the condition 1 followed by the set of statements to be executed if the condition is true. But if condition 1 is false, the interpreter will be coming to check the next condition 2. It is given with elif keyword. And in this way, we can check any number of conditions with the help of elif keyword. What happens if all the conditions are false? We can give the statement to be executed along with the else block. Statement Y is the statement which follows the if-elif-else ladder. Let's have a flow diagram to understand the concept of if-elif-else construct in an easier manner. Initially, we are having condition 1, and that condition will result either true or false as Boolean values. If the condition is true, the set of statements associated with the if statement will be executed. And after executing the set of statements, the interpreter will transfer its control to the statement Y, which follows the if construct. What happens if the condition is false? If it is false, the interpreter will be coming to check the next condition 2, given along with the elif keyword. And here also we are having two possibilities, either true or false. If the condition is true, the statements given under elif condition 2 will be executed. And if the condition is false, the interpreter will be coming to check the next condition 3. In this way, we can give n number of conditions with the help of if-elif-else ladder. What happens if the condition n also fails? If it fails, we are having the result is false. Then the statement X will be executed under the else block, and the interpreter will be coming to execute statement Y, which follows the if condition. Hence, if any one of the condition is true, the statements given under that particular block will be executed. If all the conditions are false, the statements given under the else block will be executed. Whatever be the case, the interpreter will be coming to execute statement Y, which follows the if-elif-else ladder. Let's see a simple example for if-elif-else ladder. Program to display the day by reading the day number from the user. So to check what is the day, we need to read the day number as input from the user. Let us assume that the day number is stored in a variable n. Now, with the help of if-elif-else ladder, we are going to check whether it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, or the day number given by the user is not a valid day number. So how we are checking? We are giving the first condition whether n is equal to 1 along with the if keyword. If it is 1, let's display Monday. If it is not 1, we are going to check with the next value 2. So it is given along with the keyword elif. Elif n is equal to 2, then we are printing Tuesday. In this way, we are checking the possible values of n from 1 to 7 to display the corresponding day value Monday to Sunday. Suppose the user is giving a value beyond this 1 to 7. It should be handled with the help of the else block. Under else, we are giving the statement as invalid day number to indicate the user that the number entered by the user is not a valid number. Let's have some sample input and output. Let us assume that the given day number is 5. So the interpreter will take the value of n as 5 and it will check against n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When it becomes true with the help of the condition n is equal to 5, it displays Friday on the screen. Suppose the day number is 2 given by the user, then the message Tuesday will be displayed on the screen. Let us assume that the user is entering the value of 10. That 10 is not a valid day number, and so the else block will handle this input by displaying a message invalid day number on the screen. Let us write another program to perform arithmetic operations by means of reading choice from the user. We know that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division and modulo are the arithmetic operations. And for those operations, we have specific operators in Python. And let's do the operation with the help of reading choice from the user. So to do any kind of arithmetic operations, we are in need of the required number of integers. Let us read two values, x and y, the first number and the second number. Let's display the menu on the screen so that the user may choose which operation he or she wishes to perform, either addition or subtraction, multiplication, division or modulo. After displaying the choice on that screen, let us read the choice from the user by using the input method. Enter your choice. So let the choice be stored in a variable ch. Now we have to perform the arithmetic operation, any one of the arithmetic operation based on the choice given by the user. If the choice chosen by the user is 1, then we have to add the values of x and y. If the choice is 2, then we have to subtract y from x. In this way, we need to do any one of the operation based on the choice given by the user on the given input x and y. If the user is giving a value not from 1 to 5, then we have to tackle it with the help of else block by means of printing invalid choice. So we check the value of ch. If it is equal to 1, we do addition. Z is equal to x plus y. After adding the values of x and y, we display the value of z with the help of the print statement. Similarly, if the condition is false, we are coming to check the next condition ch is equal to 2. If the choice entered by the user is 2, then we have to subtract y from x and we display the value of z on the screen. In this way, we do any one of the operation, and if the choice given by the user is not in the range of 1 to 5, we display invalid choice on the screen. Let us assume that the first number given by the user x is 56 and the second number y is 23. And let's display the choice from 1 to 5. And let us assume that the choice given by the user is 1. It means we need to perform addition. Now, the numbers x and y are added together and the result is displayed on the screen and the interpreter will come out of the if-elif ladder. And let's assume that x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and y is equal to 6, 7, 8 given by the user. And after displaying the menu on the screen, let us assume that the choice given by the user is 5. After performing the modulo operation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with 6, 7, 8, we are getting the result 60 on the screen. Stay tuned. Happy learning.